Hello everyone. The thing what we are going to talk about today is a bit creepy and interesting thing. It's about ghost. Pretty much everyone have heard about ghost, but have anyone went a bit forward and thought, does it really exist? Does this satisfy the science and logics of today? If not, let's crack it today. So stay tuned for the next several minutes and let's hop into the topic. A ghost has many names that are used in many regions and areas such as apparition, haunt, phantom, poltergeist, shade, spectre, spirit, spook, and wraith. So, the common idea that everyone has about ghost is that is the soul of a dead person that can appear to living creature, obviously like us. The appearance of ghost is different. Some may say I saw it as a transparent object. For some, it's a visible wispy shape. If you are lucky, you could see it like a lifelike vision. Just joking. A method of communicating with a ghost or with a dead spirit is called as necromancy. We will talk about it later in this video. Before the logics and science came into the play, the whole people or the ancestors thought that the existence of afterlife is superior power among us and they started to worship it. And nowadays, paranormal investigators started to evolve in this arena. Let me come to the point. If we ask a question, do ghosts really exist? The answer to this question will not be accurate because the fear inside us make us to think that they do exist. Keeping all these things apart, let's talk about the methods of communicating with ghosts. There are many creepy methods that are going unbeaten. The first and foremost thing come to our mind when we talk about the ways of communicating with ghosts is obviously the Ouija board. So what is an Ouija board? So generally, Ouija board is a method in which a board that contains alphabets and numbers and some assertive answers as a key content. With the help of a coin or a moving material, the spirit try to communicate with us. So what it actually does means it navigates the material to the alphabets or the assertions in the board. So it's called as Ouija board. And next comes in the list is Plachet. So Plachet is nothing but it's another form of an Ouija board and it contains an arrow like a structure which navigates to the answers and alphabets. Next is mirror. So many people think that the mirror are the gateway to other dimensions and they are the way to communicate with apparitions. Apparition is nothing but the ghost. Scrying. Scrying is an interesting method of communicating with ghosts. Most probably many would have seen it in movies. So it's nothing but using a crystal ball to communicate with the soul or spirits or the apparition. Next is ghost box. Ghost box is mainly focused to match the frequencies generated by the spirits or the apparitions. So when we match the frequency of the spirit, then we can hear the thing what the ghost is trying to say with us. So that's all about ghost box. Then moving to the next part of this thing is exorcism. So what is exorcism? So exorcism is nothing but the removal of the spirit from an alive person. So generally everyone knows what an exorcism is, but there are three types of exorcism available. You could have seen it in the movies. Baptism, exorcism. So blessing an infant prior to baptism to cleanse it from its sin. So it's nothing but removing the spirit or the soul from an infant. Infant means a little child or a baby. Simple exorcism. Blessing a place to get rid of evil influence. Real exorcism. Performing the rite of exorcism to rid a human being of diabolical possession. So now I am going to tell my theory about ghosts. My theory is completely based on the concept and logic of science, and it mainly aims at the law of conservation of energy, which says that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So according to that law, the energy which is present inside our body when we are alive is not destroyed and only our body gets destroyed after our death. So where does this energy goes? So what I am trying to say is that energy which comes out of the body is meant and understand as ghost, and this energy is almost two types. One is positive, which is good spirit or the poltergeist that do good thing to us, and the bad spirit called as demons, evils, Satan, etc. So this almost takes us to a spiritual world where the astral travel and astral projection play a major role, and I will do a separate video about the astral travel and astral projections later. And my theory also satisfies the concept of exorcism. So, from my concept or theory, exorcism is a process of separating additional unwanted energy from a living creature. So, that's it, guys. Hope I didn't scare you, guys. And let me know what you think about this video and my theory on ghost. And feel free to share your thoughts also in the comments. Hope you guys like it. With that all said, see you guys in the next video. Have a creepy day. Hey, don't forget to subscribe for daily dose of knowledge. Bye bye.